Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? All, F plus all, down. All fall down. All fall down. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the end of the week here on Classic Concentration. Hope all of you have been having a good time watching the Wimbledon Tennis Championships here on NBC. We're going to continue with our match today. We're going to welcome first this lady. She's the challenger. Her name is Judy Snyder. Welcome aboard, Judy.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Racine, Wisconsin.
Racine?
Racine.
Racine.
Racine, Wisconsin, right.
And are you visiting Southern California now?
I'm on sabbatical. I'm a professor at the University of Wisconsin. I've been here for a year studying.
Oh, really?
Yes.
In what subject?
I'm a costume designer in
Great.
the theater, yes.
All right. Well, this is a good place to be if you're
Wonderful.
a costume designer,
Exactly.
as you know. Good luck to you
Thanks.
today against this player. He's our champion. Mark Gilson is his name. Welcome back, Mark.
Thank you, Alex.
Ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, let's get right into this, and we'll show you a beautiful item that's up for grabs in game number 1.
Part of Kate Jewelers' classic collection, this pendant features an iridescent oval opal surrounded by sparkling diamonds, making a classic statement in any woman's wardrobe. Furnished by Kate Jewelers.
And where is that lovely piece of jewelry to be found on our game board? At number 10, the diamond and opal pendant. Judy, you're going to get to pick first because you're the challenger. We've got $500 in our cash pot, and we
Great.
also have a great vacation on the Caribbean Isle of St. Kitts. Go to work.
All right, let's open it up with number 23.
2-3 gives us a wild card. Now you can go for the pendant, which you just saw, or you can fish around the board for that holiday in the Caribbean.
You know, no, I think I'll try number 7.
Number 7 is a sailboat.
Perfect.
Right.
Oh, great.
Perfect for the lady from Wisconsin.
Yes, it is. I live a block from Lake Michigan.
Oh, great then.
It
The
is
other
great.
sailboat at number 19.
Okay.
3 panels are going to open up for you, Judy. Let's see what our costume designer can do with this.
Not much.
You could make it into a skirt. Improvise. Pick 2 numbers.
All right, let's try number 13, please.
Dead center, we have the cash pot.
I love it. And 21.
Red tape.
Okay.
We'll go over to Mark.
Number 1,
Green take.
wrong color. Number 15.
Red take. Wrong color.
Set you up.
Judy?
Thank you, Mark. I'll try number 21.
Red take.
And number 15 for the match.
Red tape. Great red tape. He has nothing to grab, so we'll keep it here for insurance
okay.
purposes. Open it up. Pick again, Judy.
Number 20, please.
Cash pot.
And number 13.
Dead center for the cash pot. Boy, the way you jumped on that, I got the feeling that Judy Snyder is somebody who can use a little cash right about now.
I teach, remember?
Oh, right. Yes, indeed. Open it up.
Great, thank you. Okay. Is it bulletin board?
Is it bulletin board? No, it isn't.
Okay.
Go again.
All right, number 6, please.
Gas range.
And let's try a natural match under number 18.
Carpeting.
Carpeting,
No match.
okay.
Mark, here's your chance.
Let's go with number 3, Alex.
Wild card.
I think my wife would not be happy with me unless I selected number 10.
Number 10 for the diamond and opal pendant. The other diamond and opal pendant is at number 4. And so the prize goes in and 3 doors open for you. Pick again.
Yeah, 16, please, Alex.
Caribbean Isle of St. Kitts.
Ooh, I lost the trip the last time. Let's go with number 9.
Patio furniture. You're not going to get it on this selection. Judy?
Number 24, please.
Gas range.
Okay, I just uncovered that last time.
But where?
At number 14?
No, I don't think
I
so.
didn't.
No, that's the
Okay.
green take. Mark?
Number 12.
That's carpeting.
22.
No, that's a cordless iron. Judy?
I think that carpeting is behind number 18.
Yes.
And number 12, please.
Number 12 is a match.
Great.
Now, since you last made a match, he's come up with one, and he's got a diamond and opal pendant sitting in his prize column.
I'm going to wait one more time.
Just one more time.
One more
you know how
time.
many contestants have said that to me?
A
And they
million.
never do it that way. They always wait 2 more times or 3 more times. They get into it. Open it up.
Not yet.
All right, pick again.
Number 24, please.
That's the range.
Okay. And number 11, please.
No, that's garden tools. Mark.
Number 9, please, Alex.
Patio furniture.
17.
Wild card. Gonna pay off for you. The other patio furniture is at number 25. 3 more doors for Mark Gilson.
Is it Born to Lose?
Is it Born to Lose?
No, I said it wrong. I blew it.
Mark buries his head. Judy is ecstatic. She's hoping she gets another chance
Yeah,
because she
well, we'll
figures
see.
she has the solution to this. So does Mark, by the way.
I do.
Just
I just misspoke.
But he's got to make a match.
The pressure is on. 24.
24. Gas range.
11.
Garden tools. Judy?
Number 5, please.
Cordless iron.
Have we seen 16?
Caribbean
we
Isle
have,
of
we
St.
have,
Kitts.
we
Boy, the
have.
suspense
Yes,
is really
definitely.
great right now.
22, please, Alex.
22.
And
Cordless
number
iron.
5.
Number 5. There's a match. We've got 3 prizes. Can you solve the puzzle, Mark?
This time I'll try not to misspeak. Born too late.
Is it
Right.
Born too late? Yes. And the Lieutenant Colonel comes through. Wins the first game. Let's go to the board, Mark. He's concentrating on explaining it, Judy.
Well, I guess this is a bore. I didn't notice that. And then an N. Born too late. L and an 8. Figure 8. Late.
L and 8. Yes, indeed. All right. You explained it very well in your cool, crisp manner. And Judy, we're going to say goodbye to you for just a little bit. We'll take you off stage here, and we'll come back to play game number 2 in a little while. Right now, let's hear about some prizes. Gene, tell us what our Lieutenant Colonel has added to his prize winnings.
A cordless iron, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a cordless iron or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise and Patio Furniture. Lloyd Flanders Bay Breeze Series all-weather Permer wicker patio furniture. Quality crafted, designed to complement any outdoor setting, furnished by Lloyd Flanders. And, of course, the beautiful diamond opal pendant. A prize package totaling $1,698.
Another $1,600 in prizes for Mark. And he was standing here wondering, he says, how could I have said Born to Lose? I knew it was Born Too Late. Don't worry about it. You're going to get another shot at a car.
Born to win.
Born to win. A good attitude. All right. Break time for us. We'll be back. Know that under our new rules here on Classic Concentration, you play until you win a car or until you lose 2 games. And so far, you're in really good shape.
I like the new rules, Alex.
Yeah. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, and we've added 5 seconds to your base time, so you're up to 40. Good luck. Let's see you win a car.
1, 3.
Nope.
4, 6.
No match again.
7, 4.
Nope.
3, 7.
Right.
9, 10.
No.
6, 10.
Right.
12, 2.
Yes.
13, 4.
No.
15, 4.
Right.
1, 14.
No.
8, 5.
No.
11,
Had to go 11-1 would have been the match there, but you missed the
11-1.
Civic Wagon at the bottom. But that's okay. Hey, you've got $10,143 in prizes. That's why you like the new rules on concentration. Great time for us, and game number 2 right after this. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. During the commercial break, I was asking Mark if he had ever worked with the Classic Concentration home game to help hone his skills, and he said yes, he had, and he's worked with the computer game as well. And that's something I've discovered about successful players on Classic Concentration. Those who do best seem to have had some experience with the home game, so you might want to pick it up if you are considering being a contestant on this show. And even if you're just looking to have some fun playing a game on an evening, might be a good idea to pick it up as well. All right, let's get into game number 2. But before we do that, I want to point out that our challenger, Judy, has 1 X against her, and that means that if you lose one more game, it's goodbye to you. But good news, this is not, folks, the Mirage Hotel in Las Vegas.
Take a break. You've earned it. Now's your chance to sip a Mai Tai while strolling along the white sandy beaches of Maui. We'll fly you in the companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Aston Camioli Sands Maui, which provides value and luxury, offering tennis, 4 championship golf courses nearby, and is steps from Maui's incredible beaches. Furnished by Aston Hotels and Resorts. Alex.
All right, thank you, Gene. You know, Gene said something strange. He said you could sip Mai Tai. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't want to have anything to do with his tie. Mark and Judy, here's where you will find that Maui vacation at number 16. We have also added a great prize in this game, so we have just the 1 wild card to deal with. And Judy, you're trailing, so you're going to pick first.
23.
2-3. Bakery bread maker.
And my number 7.
Lucky 7, rope hammock.
Rope hammock.
No match. Mark.
Number 11, please, Alex.
Stereo.
And let's try 15.
Wild card, so you got the match. The other stereo is in the lower left-hand corner at 21. Put the prize into position and show Mark these 3 pieces. Try it again.
Yeah. Number 3, please, Alex.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Number 23.
Bakery bread maker. No match. Judy, he went to your number.
He certainly did. Number 19.
Rope hammock.
And number 7.
Number 7. That's easy to remember.
Yep.
That was your second selection. A match for you and a chance to study the puzzle with a little bit more showing. Pick again.
Number 4, please.
4 is a ceiling fan.
And number 25.
Camping
Camping
package. Not
package,
there.
okay.
Mark.
Number 25, or 5, please.
25.
5.
Oh, 5. Sorry. Number 5 is flatware.
And number 1.
Bakery bread maker. No match for you, but Judy's going to make a match right now, I bet.
With number 23, please.
Yes.
And number 1.
Number 1. That's a match. What's special about 23 for you?
Lottery ticket number. It's very lucky for me.
Really? You've
Yes.
won with that number before?
Come very close and won a little bit of money, not a lot.
That's okay. It may help you out today. Let's take a look at what 23 and number 1 reveal. Pick again.
Number 17, please.
Lawnmower.
And number 8.
Washer and
Washer
dryer.
and dryer. Ooh.
Mark, no match for the lady.
Let's try number 20, Alex.
Flatware.
Number 5.
Yes. For a moment, just for a moment, I thought you were going to forget. It's game through, and 2 panels swing open for you. Pick again.
Number 12.
Green take.
Number 24.
No, that's Maui, Hawaii. Judy.
Number 16, please.
Maui, Hawaii.
And number 24.
Maui, Hawaii. Look what you've got up there. A rope hammock, a bread maker, and a Maui escape. You can escape from Maui.
Or 2 Maui.
Or 2 Maui, yes. That's the better way of looking at it. Here are the two doors swinging open for you, Judy. Pick again.
Number 22, please.
Red take.
Ooh, I think we saw the green one, but number 9, please.
Camping
package.
No
Oh.
match there. Mark.
Come on, Mark.
Number 17, Alex.
Lawnmower.
Number 14.
Lawnmower.
Very good.
He's tough, Judy.
He's tough. He
He
is
is
tough.
indeed. If you hang in there, you keep studying this puzzle, you may get your chance. Mark, take a look. Pick again.
Number 9.
Camping package.
We've seen that. Let's try 22.
Red take. No match. Judy,
Number 25, please.
camping package.
And number 9.
Number 9 is a match, yes. You said that 25 so strongly, I figured, boy, she must know how to solve this puzzle.
I thought it was something else.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Don't tell anyone you made a mistake.
I won't.
They don't know. They think you're bright. They think you're great. Look at this. Look,
I have
it's
a
going to
gold
open up.
eye.
Go again, Judy.
Oh. Number 13.
Ceiling fan.
Was that behind number 4?
Yes. Yes. Way to go, Judy. All right, show it to her quickly.
I hope it's a day at the races.
Is it a day at the races? She hopes and she is correct. And looks to me like the lady is going to Hawaii. Come on. Let's go to the board.
Well, first you have the hay, and then the D, and the hay again for hay day, and the lady's hat, and the and the R, and the aces for a day at the races.
Day at the races.
Thank you so
Come
much.
on over. Mark, guess what? You've lost your first game, so we're going to put an X in front of you. All that means is that you're going off stage for a little while. You'll get to play in our next match. We'll see you.
Good luck to you.
And for this lady, well, she's excited, and she has reason to be excited. She's won some terrific prizes. Dean, tell her.
A rope hammock, a ceiling fan, a bakery bread maker, and a camping package. Academy Broadway products designed for carefree outdoor fun. Includes dome tent, nylon sleeping bags, double-wide air mattress, and travel packs furnished by Academy Broadway. And, of course, beautiful Maui, Hawaii. A prize package worth $3,691.
Thank you so much.
Good win.
Thank
Good win,
you,
Judy.
thank you.
And you get a chance to play for a brand new car when
Okay,
you come back.
that's great. Thank you.
Basically, what you said is that if you're alive, you can be a contestant. If you're alive,
if you're breathing.
if you breathe, if you're alive, you can be a contestant on this program. You have to take a test. If you pass the test, then you could wind up being here like Judy. She's going to try for a brand new car. 15 numbered squares up here, Judy. And your clock, base time, 35 seconds. This is your first try at it. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
3, 6,
Nope.
1, 7,
No.
8, 9,
Nope.
4, 3,
Nope.
6, 3,
Nope.
6, 4,
That's it.
10, 3,
Right.
11, 12,
No.
5, 13,
Yes.
14, 12,
Yes.
15, 7.
You were making your selections quickly, which is good, but you weren't making the matches quickly, which is not so good. But
right.
that's all right. You got yourself a fabulous holiday in Hawaii.
Right.
That's part of $3,691 in prizes you picked up so far. And you're going to come back on Monday. We're going to come back after this commercial break. Dean?
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate for beautiful hand-blown and lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Heard a marvelous story about Judy and her mom trying out for this show. We'll tell you all about it on our next program. Hope you have a wonderful weekend. We'll be back, and of course, the Lieutenant Colonel, Mark Gilson, will be back. Remember, players don't leave us until they win a car or lose 2 games. So long.
Bye.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.